there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit Custom long wheelbase crew cab. This one comes with just under 21,000 miles on the clock, coming to you in a lovely blue. This has 5 leather seats, a virtual rear view mirror, reversing cameras, parking sensors, cruise control, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This is an automatic with air conditioning, heated seats. Show you in the back, we have 3 more leather seats as well. And just to show you into the back, you see it is interior lit, ply lined up on the sides just here, cargo ring to tie down any loads you may want to carry, and a pristine, undented, unscratched bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van only used it for light loads. And if you'd like to find out more about this crew cab for Transit Custom, then do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk.